Discipline is the backbone of success in real estate. Now let's face it, every morning we all wake up unemployed, but that's the life of an entrepreneur and a real estate broker. So how do you stay consistent and keep moving forward? Well, I'm Jerry Tenenbaum, and these are the habits of a successful real estate agent. So today, I'm going to take you through the daily habits that have worked for me, and I hope they're going to work for you too. Now, these aren't just ideas. They're actionable habits that can transform your career. So let's dive in. Daily habit number 1. It's having a successful morning routine. Now, my morning routine may look different from yours, and that's okay. Like, I like to wake up every day at 6:30 and head out to play tennis or work out. Mornings are crucial because your mind focuses on what really matters most. And if you start your day scrolling through social media first thing, your mind will spend all day stuck on that. So instead, set a tone for a productive and intentional day. Daily habit number 2 is moving your body. My favorite form of exercise is running or hitting the gym. However, no matter what type of movement you prefer, make it a priority to do it in the morning. Whether it's a walk, yoga session, or a quick workout, just something to get your energy flowing. I aim for weight training 3 days a week and cardio the other days. You know, as real estate agents, we're always on the run, moving around all day long from appointment to appointment, and it's very tempting to grab fast food. However, this will only drain your energy and it will really harm your body in the long run. Instead, fuel yourself with meals that keep you energized and ready to perform at your best. One of the most important habits to have to be successful is to do lead generation. In my case, most of my lead generation comes daily, either from geographic farming or from probate leads. You hear me talk about it all the time on my channel. Why? Because it's the most important habit to have, especially if you're just starting out in this business. Lead generation is one of the main habits that will keep your career afloat. And without leads, there are no clients. And without clients, there's no business. So make it a daily priority to lead generate. Once your lead generation is done for the day, your next daily habit is your admin work. This is going to include updating listings on your platforms like MLS or Zillow, managing new leads, and organizing email campaigns for your clients. These are the systems and processes that keep your business running smoothly. Now, another very important habit is client work. This is where I'll set up showings, I'll negotiate offers, and I follow up with all my buyers and sellers. If I don't have active clients, I shift my focus back to prospecting and building relationships. Every agent should have dedicated time to learning daily. Whether it's market trends, negotiation strategies, or self-improvement, make learning a non-negotiable part for you. I dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to learning new things about my business. Social media is a huge part of my business strategy. I spend about 1 to 2 hours daily creating posts, engaging with my audience, and staying active online. To avoid getting distracted, I limit my time to 3 main tasks: editing, posting, and responding to inquiries. The last daily habit is planning for your next day. Your day starts the night before. I use a combination of digital calendars and physical planners to map out my schedule. I know where I am at all times. Everything is time blocked, and so I prioritize what's important so I know exactly what needs to be done. Waking up with a plan is crucial for staying productive and purposeful. Success in real estate, it never happens overnight. It's never an accident. It's built on daily habits that keep you consistent, focused, and always moving forward. From starting your day with intention, to fueling your body with clean, good food, to generating leads every single day and staying organized. These habits are the foundation of a thriving career. Remember this, it's not about the perfection, but progress, and each small step adds up over time. Now, I hope you found these tips very helpful, and if you really want to dive deeper into what it's really going to take to build a successful real estate career for yourself, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share actionable strategies, insider tips, and real-world advice to help you grow your business and achieve your goals. And let's take your career to the next level. Together, we can do this.